For more information on tutoring, personalized video solutions, or how to support Moof University and the production of more videos, please visit moofuniversity.com. Thank you and enjoy. So as far as row 3 goes for the ground state electron configurations, we're going to continue to apply the Aufbau principle to get the configurations. And so what you'll notice in this video is that I've already have them written out. As long as you have that little Aufbau diagram thing, you can use that to help you figure out what the energy is of each orbital, or at least the order in which you fill them. So I have them all completed here, so if you want to pause the video and take a look at these ground state electron configurations, you should be able to make sense of them. Okay, and also there are the orbital diagrams over here to the right. Okay, again, you can pause the video and figure this out as you like. Now, one thing I'd like to point out is that there's something new that I mentioned in this video, and I'm going to show you basically for the first element and maybe the first two, I don't know, so that you can kind of figure out what's going on and then maybe apply that as well to the other elements. So for sodium, we're going to start off with 1s. That's going to be filled 1s2. It has 11 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and then we have 3s1. Okay, that's the ground state electron configuration. Now there's this thing called the condensed electron configuration. What is that? Basically, it just makes our life a little bit easier and shorter. In the last video, I mentioned that neon, a noble gas, has a filled, all of its orbitals, all of its atomic orbitals are filled completely. So specifically, neon's configuration was 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, which is this right here. So to make our lives a little bit easier, we can just do the electron configuration of sodium and say, well, it's everything up to neon and then 3s1. And so the way we can represent that is like this. Neon and then 3s1. So basically, with putting neon in brackets says this is basically coming from this. That's what that is. Okay. After that, it's 3s1. Okay. For magnesium, we would do the same thing, except it would be 3s2 following neon. So that would look like that. Again, we're just saying that the 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 is implied if we just write neon in brackets. Okay, and we can apply that for all of these because they all are after neon, right? So we can do neon up in there, and that for all of these until we get to argon, the next noble gas that's completely filled. So for the next row, we can basically just say argon in brackets and then whatever else from the configuration that follows it. So I hope that makes sense, and I encourage you to try that and try to work through that and figure that out on your own. But again, if you want any of these particular configurations, please pause the video, figure it out, and check out the orbital diagrams here. I'll leave that sort of still for a second so you can go ahead and pause it. But I hope that video was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you found that video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you and happy studying.